Two gents, no sense. Haha.
क्या हुआ क्या हो गया भाई करण, इतनी उदासी?
आज तो बनती है।
क्या कारण है इस उदासी का?
आज तो मैच देखा ही आपने।
हाँ, उदासी का कारण मैं बताऊं?
बताओ।
मैं ये बता दूं, चलो उदासी कब नहीं होती है?
ओ,
उदासी तब नहीं होती है जब आपकी टीम रन बनाए और मैच जीते। अच्छा, बिफोर वी गेट देयर,
यस,
हम लोगों से एक ब्लंडर हुआ है लास्ट
टाइम। यस सर।
हम लोगों ने आपको यही नहीं बताया कि हमारे नाम क्या है.
ये है देवांशु
दैट इज करण.
एंड वी आर
Two gents.
नो सेंस।
Yes, now getting back to business.
यस।
Today's first match, MI
MI versus LSG।
LSG.
ये क्या हारे हम लोग। क्या बोला
भाई
यार?
मैंने क्या कहा था? मुंबई is back.
100%.
मुंबई का growth curve is only going upwards. What a match. Surya Kumar Yadav getting the orange cap momentarily. We'll get to that. But still getting the orange cap, 54 runs, brilliant innings. Strike rate वही 200 प्लस टाइप का जो होता है उसका.
As usual.
Then coming to Will Jacks,
Oh, surprising. Man of the match.
man of the match, 29 runs, 2 crucial wickets. अपना पूरन और पंत किसी ने 27 करोड़ बोला क्या? अच्छा नहीं बोला. Okay. And then बुमराह 4 विकेट, लास्ट ओवर में
Killed
3
it.
विकेट.
Killed it.
Amazing. मतलब what a performance.
Boom, boom, boom. As
एकदम.
usual.
रोहित शर्मा भी, I mean, he was fine. I think 2 छक्के मारे बैक टू बैक और उसके बाद 2 डॉट बॉल्स और फिर शॉर्ट थर्ड पे आउट.
For that matter, some positives.
Yes.
From LSG, Mayank Yadav.
Yeah.
Like great bowling today. Like not great, but 2 important wickets.
Correct.
And like great range. Like
Yeah.
109 to 145 kilometers per hour.
Variation.
Very intelligent bowling. खाया 2 खाया
40 रन पड़े उसको.
2 छक्के खाया रोहित शर्मा से. Like 6 dot and out. And so that was nice.
And the ball he bowled to Hardik was a peach. It just hit the top of his leg stump.
Yeah.
But that was a peach. I mean,
Yes.
I really like how he's sort of worked on his game. वो जब इंजर होके गया है लास्ट टाइम, तब वो करीब 156 के करीब स्पीड डाल रहा था. He was bowling
Yes.
around 150 plus.
56 was
And this time round his variation was between 109 to 140.
45. Yeah.
I'm sure he's spoken to the likes of Zahir Khan in the camp who sort of
Goenka.
told him कि भाई गोइंका ने तो
Maybe
पक्का
Pant.
बताया. How about your batting?
Batting से पहले I think we should address
Mr. हस्ताक्षर
yeah.
दिग्विजय राठी.
At least दिग्विजय राठी. Yeah. At least पहले हवा में कर रहा था, जमीन पे down to earth हो गया थोड़ा.
नीचे जाके
तो
साइन कर रहा है.
मतलब यार 30 lakhs की बाई थी.
हाँ.
Almost 6 lakhs तो फाइन में दे दिए हैं.
हाँ.
And speaking of bad ROIs from LSG,
Yeah.
we have Mr. Pant.
The lord of bad
Not
ROIs.
200 strike rate.
कितना?
200.
और रन भी बोलो.
4. But it is what it is. But yeah, batting में we had Ayush Badoni
हाँ.
and Nicholas Pooran was
हाँ.
playing really well. But Sky flew and that was a great
Sky
catch.
flew and he grabbed a miraculous catch.
100%.
But talking of Pant, I should say he's lucky. मतलब ना तो रन बन रहे हैं. As a captain एकदम नाम खराब किया हुआ है. 27 करोड़ का इतना बड़ा ठप्पा उस पे लगा हुआ है. And did you see the BCCI retained players के contracts की list?
A में आ गया यार वो.
Pant is in grade A
Yeah.
from grade B.
Yeah.
That's like a promotion. There are 2 big surprises. Ishan Kishan. I mean, not a surprise, but a
They
big
deserved
change
it, yeah,
because पिछले बार
actually,
वो लोग नहीं थे. Ishan Kishan is in grade C and Shreyas Iyer is in grade B. ये
Very
दोनों को
promising.
contract नहीं मिला था last time because they did not play Ranji.
Yep.
And who else? What else was noticeable?
A+ के हमारे 4 देवता.
हाँ.
Kohli, Sharma, Bumrah and
Jadeja.
Jadeja.
हाँ.
But I thought there was a clause that you should play all 3 formats.
To be an A+,
A+
right?
player,
Yeah,
right?
I think.
But
Oh
उसमें
yes.
सिर्फ बुमराह ही खेलता है तीनों फॉर्मेट.
Oh yes, that's actually a good observation कि उन 4 में से हाँ मतलब बुमराह को छोड़ के कोहली, जडेजा और रोहित ने तो रिटायरमेंट ले ली T20 से.
Yeah.
Oh yes, how are they in A+?
I don't know, maybe
How is it possible? BCCI?
exception, legends के लिए exception.
Interesting. Yeah. But talking to that, coming to the second match, I'm sure you would be excited about it. RCB versus DC.
Kohli boy
Kohli boy
with the orange cap.
with the orange cap.
Yes.
Absolutely. But what
I
a
think
match.
amazing match.
Mm.
Kohli ने slow खेला, I agree,
Mm.
but that was required.
Yeah.
Early 2 wickets. They like stopped DC for like 162
हाँ.
and जल्दी गिर गए थे wickets
आरसीबी के 3 विकेट गिर गए थे।
2 या 3 विकेट गिरे थे जल्दी
20 रन पे।
उसके बाद कुणाल पांड्या वाज अ सरप्राइज 73 runs.
Oh yes, that was a surprise.
Great innings. So I think RCB is back top of the table.
Top of the table.
Yes,
Actually, I mean credit goes to these two guys, Kohli and Pandya. जो बोलते हैं ना कि एक दिन में एक ही पांड्या चला आज कृणाल चला हार्दिक नहीं चला तो वही वाली बात है बट वन फ्रॉम द फैमिली बट बॉलिंग में यार भुवी इज डूइंग वेल
3 wickets
दैट इज अ प्लस डीसी आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड कि उनकी बॉलिंग अटैक ने कुछ ऐसा खास वो किलर इंस्टिंक्ट दिखाई नहीं मतलब आई फेल्ट कि जैसे स्टार्क वॉक है उनके पास कुलदीप है these guys should perform but somehow it was not
even for that matter Akshar Patel like coolest captain
Akshar Patel का हाँ मतलब narrative around his calmness and coolness is gaining momentum
yes and the meme
culture yes
yeah meme का राजा
वो वाला meme देगा उसका कि the commentator asks him कि I think it was a match they lost and he's like अरे अक्षर आप काफी उदास लग रहे हैं उसका सर झुका हुआ है एकदम ऐसे बोलता है उदास लग रहे हैं ऊपर देखता है and he smiles at the camera.
Yeah.
Funny man.
I think I saw one more where उसमें उससे पूछता है वो मैच यहाँ से किसके कैसे चला गया
कहाँ गया
तो बोलता है मुंबई के पास गया वो कॉफी वाला भी अच्छा था
yes इसमें so I think this was the match where KL scored and they won really quickly and he asks him कि मैच काफी जल्दी खत्म हो गया क्या what were your thoughts about it अरे मैंने तो कॉफी ऑर्डर किया था मेरे को पता नहीं मैच कभी खत्म हो गया like so funny man but yeah coming back to Kohli there is a very interesting thing that we were talking about we saw
कोहली ने पूमा के शूज नहीं पहने थे
exactly
और कोहली के इंस्टाग्राम पे भी he hasn't posted anything after 1st April I think and there's no sponsored post
no sponsored content yes so that is a big thing or a big news it was there in the papers that he's no more with Puma so he had signed an 8-year deal with Puma worth 110 crores and now the contract is over and he's decided not to continue with them because the ex-MD of Puma Mr. Abhishek Ganguly, he launched his own company called Agilitas in 2023 and Kohli is one of the investors in that. His brand 1-8 that he had made with Puma has also been brought to Agilitas now. Uske saath wo dikhega. Agilitas has Lotto and a few of their own domestic brands and what they are doing right now is basically creating a whole vertical sportswear brand of theirs in India. So usme sports equipment, sports clothing sab hone wala hai. Abhishek Ganguly is a big name in the industry. I mean he was responsible firstly for getting Kohli to Puma. Before that, he brought Yuvraj Singh to Puma. Before that, he had signed Saurav Ganguly back in the day, where he was a Puma ambassador, and so he brought some big names, and not just cricket, even from Bollywood.
Yeah. I mean, Anushka Sharma, Sara Ali Khan, Shania Kapoor,
yes.
Ibrahim Ali Khan.
Big names, and
yep.
he was responsible for that. But now he's doing his own thing. Agilitas, all the best to him.
क से कोहली से याद आया क से केसरी 2 देखी आपने
नहीं मैंने नहीं देखी did you see it
yeah
how was it
I think Akki is back
really
I hope Akki is back I think it was very entertaining
अच्छा
for the fact not on a funny way but like for the script like a new debutant director produced by Dharma very good editing very good great songs
story कैसी है
story was amazing I didn't know this part yes I think ये सब चीजें history books में जानी चाहिए
अच्छा
it was about Sir Sankaran Nair who fought against the crown and the amazing casting I think Akshay Kumar R Madhavan and Ananya Pandey as well amazing acting all
Ananya
three of
Pandey
them yes
okay I didn't say that
Ananya Pandey amazing acting like all three of them were sharing screen space and nobody was like overpowering anyone I think go watch Kesari 2 guys
I have to watch it now that you said such good things about him good for Aki
I hope he's back man
थोड़ा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड खराब चल रहा था
आजकल वो सलमान और पंत का भी चल रहा है
सलमान पंत में भी काफी सिमिलैरिटीज okay not getting there okay
next episode
but you know talking about suing the crown did you see Jewel Thief
I saw it yesterday
अब मुझे बता I actually haven't seen any movie last week कैसा था
देखो मूवी में स्टोरी अच्छी है एक्टर्स अच्छे हैं सैफ अली खान जयदीप अलावत निकिता दत्ता गाने okay but overall the movie something was missing for me
अच्छा
so I was like less than 2 hours movie on Netflix but कुछ off था the only good thing about the movie was good styling
of course that is something I've noticed but before you get there मैंने देखा उसमें जयदीप अलावत है ना I'm a big fan मतलब जयदीप अलावत का काम मैंने बहुत क्लोजली देखा है I'm a big fan of his role in पाताल लोक हाथीराम
of course
हाथीराम तो मतलब like a sweetheart in spite of having him movie में दम नहीं था.
Acting वही मैंने बोला acting सबकी अच्छी है.
हाँ.
But there was something off.
But styling अच्छी है उसकी.
Styling बहुत अच्छी.
कपड़े बढ़िया पहने.
कपड़े he was wearing like baggy suits with bare chest. Amazing. Saif Ali Khan was amazing.
कपड़ों में तो amazing है ही वो.
कपड़ों में amazing. उसने मूवी में denim on denim पहना था. हमने तो इसलिए तो नहीं बोला आपने पहनने को.
मैंने मूवी नहीं देखी, मुझे पता होता तो अलग बात थी. But denim on denim तो यार it's a classic. Denim on denim इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि जो हमारा fashion segment है उसमें हम थोड़ी denim की बात कर लेंगे. But of course, like you're saying, people like Saif Ali Khan are sporting denim on denim, so it is a testimony to the trend's value, right? So denim on denim is eternal है, timeless है.
कहाँ से लूँ denim? ये बताओ.
Denim कहाँ से लो? बहुत simple है, देखो. आजकल हर brand denim बेच रहा है. But if you really want to simplify it and break it down, I have broken it down into 4 parts or 4 types of denim brands that you can consider depending on तुम्हारी क्या requirement है. सबसे पहला तो वो है अगर if you are a classic denim customer, you like timeless pieces, go to Levi's. You'll be sorted.
Fair.
If you're somebody who wants affordable pieces, casual pieces, a little bit high on trend, go to Jack and Jones. Good choice. You'll get great deals there and good styles. If you're someone who is a little niche and has a little bohemian taste, या थोड़ा सा customized denims पसंद है, crafted denims, go to this brand called Scotch and Soda.
Interesting.
It's a wonderful brand. Slightly heavy on your pocket, but a beautiful brand. मतलब every piece is unique. Then, if you're somebody who's very edgy and is in love with designer labels and designer brands, go to Diesel. You will get some amazing experimental pieces there. Or, of course, thoda महंगा होगा.
Right.
But then again, that's why I've given you 4 names. Depending on your requirement, break it down like that.
Great picks.
And then go crazy.
चलो चलते हैं अब.
कहाँ चलें?
आज का podcast.
Coffee पिए?
Coffee पीते coffee. Let's do coffee.
So let's do this place called Jabal Coffee House.
Okay.
It's a new cafe that is opened here in Ridgeway. They do some amazing coffees. एकदम Middle Eastern environment है वहाँ पे.
Nice.
It's a Yemeni cafe. एकदम दुबई वाली vibe आएगी वहाँ जाके.
Let's go there.
Bling and all. And in our next episode हम लोग आपको बताएंगे कि वहाँ की coffee थी कैसी.
Coffee with Karan and Devanshu. Coffee with 2 jets.
Till then,
Ciao. Later.
make no sense.
Alligator.